In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a stop loss, trailing stop loss, and take profit on Etoro. This is an important skill for anyone looking to manage their investments effectively. And by the end of this guide, you'll be prepared to navigate Etoro with confidence. First, you'll want to head over to Etoro's official website, which is a one-stop app for stocks, crypto, and ETFs. Once you're there, look towards the top right-hand corner and you'll see the Login button. Click on it and enter your credentials to access your account. It's important to have access before you can proceed with trading or making any adjustments to your investments. Once logged in, you're directed to the home page. Here, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard. This will make it easier for you to navigate through different sections of the platform. Now, let's move on to the main task. Your next step is to locate the Discover option. This is where you'll find various assets that are available for trading. Click on Discover to open up a world of trading options. Take some time to explore and decide which asset you want to trade, as your choice here will dictate your subsequent actions. Once you've found the asset you're interested in, the next step is to select it. You'll see a Trade button appear next to your chosen asset. Clicking this will open up the trading interface, where you can customize your trade settings. Now, it's time to enter the amount you wish to invest in this asset. Think carefully about your investment and make sure it aligns with your trading goals and risk management strategy. After entering the amount, your next focus will be setting up your stop loss, trailing stop loss, and take profit levels. These tools are essential for effective risk management. The stop loss setting helps minimize losses by automatically selling the asset when it reaches a certain price. On the trading interface, you'll find this option conveniently located, usually near where you enter your trade amount. Adjust the parameters based on your risk tolerance. Next, consider setting a trailing stop loss, which is an advanced feature that allows the stop loss level to adjust automatically as the market moves in your favor. This way, you can lock in profits while minimizing losses. Lastly, decide on your take profit level. This tells Etoro to automatically sell your asset once it hits a certain profit level, securing your gains. Carefully set this level to match your trading strategy and goals. By customizing these settings, you're effectively managing your investments on Etoro, protecting your portfolio from excessive losses while capitalizing on potential profits. Now, you're all set up to trade with confidence. Thanks for tuning in, and happy trading!